it's Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com. Today is the killer triangle stitch pattern. Killer not because it's hard, but because it's cool. So download the pattern below and we will get started. Okay, so the killer triangle uses a multiple of 2, so it's very easy to figure out what size foundation chain you want to make. Just times it by 2. So we're gonna start off with a double crochet in the 6th chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that of course represents some stuff that we've just skipped. It's gonna be a double crochet and a chain 2, because that's what we're gonna do across. We're going to skip the next chain, it's representing a double crochet and a chain 1 on the bottom and a chain 1 on the top. So because that's what we're going to do across, we're going to chain 1, we're going to skip our next chain, and we're going to double crochet in the next 1, and we're going to do that all the way across to the last 2 chains and do the same thing. We're going to chain 1 and double crochet in that last chain. So nice and easy stitch repeat. Then we're ready for row 2. Row 2, we're going to be doing a lot of double crochets. We're going to start making our triangles. So we're going to start with a chain 3, and that's going to count as a double crochet, and it's going to be attached to this one. So we're going to skip this one and we're going to work into this next one, and it's going to tilt our double crochets. We're going to do 2 double crochets in this one stitch, and we're going to do that all the way across. So the next double crochet, we're not doing anything in between these double crochets, we're just doing 2 in each of the stitches. Then on this very last portion, which is the chain 5, we're gonna skip this first chain and work into that next one, which is technically the top of our 3 chains that counted as a double crochet. And we're gonna do 2 double crochets in those as well. So just remember that very first stitch, you're just doing a chain 3, and then every stitch across, you're going to do 2 double crochets. And then we'll be ready for row 3, which is our last row of our stitch pattern repeat. Okay, so for row 3, we're repeating kind of what we did down here. So we're going to chain 4, which is going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1. And then we're going to skip this first set of double crochets and work into the next one. So we're going to do just 1 double crochet in that first double crochet of the 2. Then we're going to chain 1 and skip that one and do the same thing across. So just like the first row, chain 1 double crochet across until you get to that last turning chain, and you'll do a double crochet in the top of that. So that's the stitch pattern. So you're going to make the little triangles and then spaces and over again. And in a larger swatch, this is what you get. A very nice reversible fabric. You can definitely tell the right side from the wrong side. The right side has the little loops coming across like the front of the work. And then the back side has more kind of like leaf looking. This is kind of what I think it looks like, but both sides are very pretty. So this is a great stitch pattern to watch TV to make a scarf out of. Some self-striping yarn would look great in this, or just any solid color, even maybe a variegated. Try out some different swatches, see what you like. But that is our killer triangle stitch pattern. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.